Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix your Maytag top-load washer that won't drain. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are reasons why your washer won't drain. Kinked or clogged drain hoses, the drain hose is too high, or an overloaded washer. Here's how to fix the issue. Clean the drain hose. Turn off the washer and disconnect it from the power. Disconnect the hose from the washer and the drainage point. Use a plumber's snake to remove the clogs. Connect the hose to a tap to wash out the rest of the dirt, and straighten a bent hose for the water to flow. If this doesn't solve the issue, check the drain hose installation. Ensure the drain hose is at least 30 inches from the floor. The hose shouldn't extend 4.5 to 5 inches inside the drain pipe. Don't tape the drain hose and drain pipe together. You can also remove some clothes. Turn off the washer and remove some clothes. Evenly distribute the laundry in the drum to prevent off-balance issues when spinning. Check the user manual to get the washer's capacity. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your Maytag top-load washer that won't drain. Thanks for watching. Till next time.